What a man needs in a relationship. The difference between the views of a man and women in the improvement of the world and life in which they live leads to the fact that they do not understand what need to their favorite people of the opposite sex. Each of them gives his partner what he needs without hesitation, that like another. And it turns out that almost every second family suffers from a misunderstanding. Some silent, some just can't hear, and some does not want to know. The first thing that men want in a relationship is support. From the male side, support is unconditional approval of his personality and his actions. Every time they leave the house, he is in danger. Every single minute. The machine can capture the grandmother, some will come on foot, then the head will be a day to criticize his actions. Returning home, the man wants to relax and be myself. He wants everything he would do was approved, even if it really didn't work out. For example, washed dishes, praised. Took the child in kindergarten, said thanks. Man needs a real and in the case of support, feeling that he again and again want to do good deeds. The second thing the man want in a relationship is love. Women understand and need love and care. Men in loyalty and devotion. All of this is interrelated. One without the other would not exist. However, the loyalty of the woman and her devotion are the most important things required by man. He wants to know that you don't leave him because he is not rich, not get a boyfriend because you do not like in bed. Only the man will give you all of himself to feel that you are loyal to him always and in everything. The third thing the man wants in a relationship is the bed. Of course, not for whom it is not a secret that all men want to make love to a woman. However, few people says that this is not just a physical need to satisfy himself, but also a way to express your love to one with whom he engaged in sex. Women express their feelings through conversation, hugs, kisses. Men through physical contact. How women calculate the number of kisses and gifts as a sign of his love, the same way men calculate a woman's love for himself through the quantity and quality of making love. It's hard to believe, especially due to the fact that men universally meet women for one night, but just as they express their love, if the woman doesn't give him what he so needed, he is not looking for love and physical discharge on the side. By doing these three things, you will conquer the heart of your man and show him your love. Please do subscribe my channel for more videos and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.